While UAE do not generally have the facility of bunkers, or it does not have the facility where you can hide yourself, because this is something which the people over here are witnessing for the very first time. And specifically, this shelter home from where we are reporting right now is in UAE's Ajman, just a few kilometers away from Dubai, specifically being constructed, being built for all those individuals who are stranded, especially, in fact, Indians. And this has been built by Mr. Dheeraj, who is from Rajasthan. We'll be, in fact, giving you a close picture so as to how this shelter home, in fact, looks like. And from all where places people have come from, and for since how many days they have been stranded over here. These are the visuals, in fact, that will be giving you inside this particular shelter home, which I'll say is just few kilometers away from Dubai. It, in fact, is a safer place for all people to come and stay, which has been specifically built for all those who are stranded, who are not getting facilities to stay in the hotels, because we have been seeing that how this ongoing conflict has, in fact, raised a lot of problems for the people. I am right now being joined by Mustafa, who is an Iranian and has and is stuck over here. And let us talk to him so as to what he has to say. How did he reach over here? Mustafa, how did you come? First of all, explain this.
Uh, my experience, yes. I came by bicycle 3 days from Muscat, the capital of Oman, to UAE. And here in UAE, after visiting some cities in Sharjah, my bicycle unfortunately was stolen. And also the border does not accept Iranian passport anymore. I think it's
So you have an
temporary.
Iranian passport which is not
Yes,
being accepted right
yes,
now.
and yes, and I stuck here, and
Uh, Amidst this ongoing situation, how difficult it is. Did you ever think that such kind of situation you will have to face here in Dubai, Ajman, or nearby areas where you must have traveled?
uh, mm, uh,
Now, as an Iranian, what you have to say on all the things that are going on right now?
but as Iranian, uh, we are sad. I think yes.
It is difficult situation for all of you right now.
Yes, for all Iranians, inside and outside of Iran, I think.
So what's your next plan now?
My plan is waiting for opening border and returning to Oman, or taking a flight to Iran, maybe another country. I don't know.
All right, let us also speak to, in fact, few more individuals who have been staying over here, and let us also talk about their experiences so as to what they have to say, how difficult it was for them. आप लोग कहाँ से आए? Where are you from?
We are from basically India, but
India.
we are staying here.
Okay,
We just come to serve our people. As Dheeraj put on one message on our group.
okay, so you're a volunteer over here.
Yeah, as a volunteer, he asked for just who can come to here as a volunteer to give your time and
So
support.
people from which all areas are coming over here? सभी जगह से लोग आ रहे हैं?
Yeah, I'm staying in Abu Shagra Sharjah with my wife, and we came here from last Tuesday, and we are just serving people, and we are not feeling like that we are serving or we stay here. Actually, they are that like our extended
Is
family.
there any individual who is stranded over here, or in fact,
Yeah, these guys
you are? आप लोग कहाँ से?
We
Where?
are from Mumbai, India.
You're from Mumbai. Okay, so since how long you're here?
We are from 1st March.
1 week.
First March,
Almost 1 week.
ago.
Almost 1 week.
So you came over here as a tourist?
Yes.
Okay. And what did you see over here? What did you witness as far as the ongoing conflict is concerned?
The atmosphere was very good here. We all were very happy that
No, but then when the war started there, here you came, it was relaxed. But then when it started, how it was?
we were tensed and we were mentally unstable. We were thinking that how will we manage in this and about
situation.
difficult situation.
There were alarms on your phones?
There were alarms in our phone. Our
all
hotels had their hands up, so they did not extended our stay. So we were tense. So
Oh, hotels did not extend this
no.
stay. Okay.
Means some
Right,
news
right.
was spreading like they will provide free stay, but our hotel did not say that. But we were tense, so in our group one message came, so they are providing free stay and free food with everything, and every management they have done really very well. The day from the day we have came here, it doesn't feel like we are stranded here as a tourist, we are as a family.
Have you heard the voice? Have you heard the loud sounds of explosion or interception, something like
Yes,
that?
yes,
Almost every day. You're from?
We are from Mumbai only.
You're from Mumbai, okay.
Yeah.
रोज सुन रहे हैं सर ऐसे?
Almost
Daily?
yesterday also we had some 3 to 4 anticeptors, what we call, that were
intercepts, yeah.
that were broken. Day before also, the day this thing started, we saw it at near the Creek Dubai. There is a place at Creek Dubai. We
What
saw
about
it.
your family who is sitting there in Mumbai?
We the entire family is with me here. We are 18 people from Mumbai. My wife, children, my brother-in-law, everybody is with us. Half of the family are left today. The other half are going to leave tomorrow by flight.
So all those who have come must be worried about the ongoing situation.
Yes, the entire day. First day, this is our 7th day. The first day, Dheeraj sir told us that you be calm and patient. Nothing will happen. We have a team here.
You
They
got
will
a flight now finally?
Yes, we just booked a flight for tomorrow and we'll be leaving 10 o'clock. But again, we are very grateful that we are not facing any sort of issues since the day we came here.
All right. So, in fact, viewers, this is the way how this shelter home, in fact, is helping all those individuals who are coming over here to stay, who are actually facing problems due to ongoing situation.